What's up, guys? Welcome back to Making Life Easy with Faith, or Make Life Easy with Faith. It's your girl Faith Odhiambo, and from the title of the video I'm going to show you guys how to use a blender. This specific brand I think is a Ramtoms. The reason why I have decided to do this video is because using a blender is one of the things that can embarrass you, especially if you go and get like a different type of blender somewhere that you're not used to. You just can't explain that yes, you know how to use a blender, but a different one. So I'm going to show you how to connect and how to use this specific brand. As I have said, is I think a Ramtoms. I'm not sure because the box is long thrown away and it has already, like, the name has already come off, so that is why I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get into the video. So for this blender, it only comes with one jug. There are those that come with two, there are those that come with 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So this comes with only one jug. As you can see, that jug, the jug has a lid. This is the lid to the jug. When you want to blend, you use that, and it comes with the bottom part. So the trick is normally connecting the jug to the bottom part. It is like rocket science to some people. So let me show you how to connect this specific one, and I'll also show you how you blend. So the first thing first to connect, is we will put this. So from what you can see from this, it has this corner, it has this one. So this jug has something that will go in here, this jug has something that will go here, and something that will go here. So that is normally the trick. So if there's one step you miss on connecting them, the blender won't work. You won't be able to blend anything. And then this is the button that you use to like blend. So it has place 1 and 2, and then to switch it off. And the other side has only one place. As you can see, I can't go further than this. So this side has 1, 2, those. So those you use to blend depending with the speed or the hardness of the things you're blending. So the first thing is normally to connect, or after you have inserted things in there, the first thing is normally you connect it. You see, the way I was telling you. So I have not yet connected it. Ow, sorry. So I don't have a tripod at the moment. I'm using my hand. So from the bottom you can see, the way I was telling you, there's 1, 2, 3. From the bottom we have 1, we have 2 over here, and 3 over here. So you can see this goes on the long place, this goes on the short, and as you can see, there's an arrow here. So there used to be a mark here, so this and this should be like on that mark, but for this one ishavutika because the blender is a bit, it has eaten some years. So yeah, so to fix it, you just try to rotate until hizo vitu ziingiane. So this, you see the way I am lifting it, it's like it's well hooked. You can go on and blend whatever it is you want to blend. As I was saying, this arrow, this one had something like to show you where it's placed, like a manual on it. And then there's another upper arrow, this one goes with the lid. As you can see, the lid also has a mark. So for you to be able to blend, this mark and this mark, they have to be together like that. Yes, for you to be able to blend it. And then for this specific brand, you can actually lift this in case you want to add something as it blends. You just throw them from in here. But as long as these and these are well fixed, and you'll see from when I'll be blending, you have to press this, like this hand, ikue firm for it to blend. So let's go on and put something. I think we can blend some avocado so that you can see how the blender works. So let me put the avocado off camera because it's not what we are focusing on this video, and then I'll come back, we put it on the socket, and then we blend so that you can see how this works. So as you can see, I have put some avocado there. I've added sugar, lemon, and a bit of water. So for you to get a good consistency, or for the blender to work well, you need to add something liquid like water, milk, to whatever it is you're blending if it's hard. But for the avocado, I would have just blended, though it would have been so thick. That is why I've decided to add some water, and it has some lemon water as well. So from what you can see here, it has like a ml. It gives you like roughly, like here, this is like the maximum of where you have, sorry, forgive me, I have a cold. So this is the maximum, like when you're putting things, like if I would have been blending so much stuff, I would have put up to here. Like if I put past that, then the blender won't work. So it shows you like how many mLs of whatever it is you're making you have. So I've connected it to a source of power. You don't need to see that, but yeah, so you can connect it directly to your socket, or you can use an extension. Like I've used an extension, depending with how you prefer, or the distance between your power source to your blender. So for I'll just go on and close the lid so that you guys can see. So I don't know how I'll do this because I need to switch this on and still so from this, as you can see, the socket is this thing. I've already turned it on. The blender is not working because, as I said, for this specific one I have to press. So let me press it. Yeah, so it's not working effectively because, as you can see from there, let me just show you. You see, like, my avocado is very far from the thing that goes around. So just open this, it will work. Have seen how it works. So you press it works. You leave it does not work. You press that, it works. You leave it does not work. So I'll just move this to the next one. The next to this next one, you can hear like the noise it's making it's very different from the first one. That one makes louder noise because it works best. That one makes very little noise because the first one is like the first thing you use is that one. So these are just like after you've blended and you want something smoother, you move to the next one. That is why there it's closed. So even if I press the upper part, it won't work. Then there's this other side. This other side I can't function with one hand. If I had a tripod, it would have been easy to show you guys like how that one works. So yeah guys, that is how a blender works, this specific brand. Guys, I have another blender. I'll show you how it works. In case you're interested, let me know on the comment section. As you have seen, that is how you assemble a blender, and that is how it works. So I'll just open this so that you can see what we have here. So yeah, that is what we have. It can get like lighter. In case you want to, you continue blending and you add like liquid stuffs, so that in case you want to make juice, like if you want to make juice, you can use this specific blender. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that you always get notified anytime and every time I upload any new video. So look out for how to use the other blender and a lot of smoothies and juices recipes that will be coming up on this channel. Until the next one, I can only say bye bye guys.